Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best over-the-counter Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Over-the-counter Forex brokers facilitate currency trading directly between two parties without the use of a centralized exchange. In the Forex market, these brokers act as intermediaries, enabling traders to buy and sell currency pairs via electronic trading platforms. Over-the-counter Forex trading is decentralized, meaning transactions occur across a global network of financial institutions, banks, and individual traders, rather than through a single exchange. This setup provides flexibility, extended trading hours, and access to a wide range of currency pairs. However, it also requires traders to carefully assess the broker's reliability, spreads, and regulatory compliance to ensure a secure trading environment. Traders who are searching for some of the best over-the-counter Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best over-the-counter Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade, a leading online trading platform, provides individuals and institutions with access to a diverse range of financial markets. The broker offers a user-friendly interface and cutting-edge trading tools to empower traders of all levels. Whether you are interested in Forex, commodities, stocks, or cryptocurrencies, their platform is designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern investor. With a reputation for reliability and transparency, Avatrade strives to deliver a seamless trading experience, supported by educational resources and responsive customer service. Avatrade offers a variety of market instruments to trade, catering to the various needs of its clients. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, Forex options, crypto CFDs, indices, ETFs, and bonds. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade Options, Avatrade's Web Trader, as well as automated trading through DupliTrade and ZuluTrade. With a selection of versatile and robust trading platforms, Avatrade empowers its users to trade with confidence. Accounts are available on retail, multi-account manager, and professional accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Avatrade's account types are structured to provide flexibility and customization, ensuring that traders of varying levels of expertise can find an account that aligns with their trading goals. The broker is dedicated to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources as well, recognizing the importance of knowledge in successful trading. Avatrade provides a comprehensive range of educational materials suitable for traders of all levels. The platform offers informative articles, video tutorials, and webinars covering various aspects of trading, from fundamental concepts to advanced strategies. These resources are designed to enhance traders' understanding of the financial markets. Overall, Avatrade stands as a premier online trading platform, committed to providing a holistic and empowering experience for traders around the world. With a diverse range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, and flexible account options, Avatrade caters to the needs of both novice and experienced traders. Backed by transparency, reliability, and innovation, Avatrade invites users to explore the world of online trading with confidence. Whether you are looking to diversify your portfolio, engage in Forex trading, or delve into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, Avatrade offers a robust platform for traders to navigate and capitalize on global market opportunities. At number 4 on our list is HFM. HFM, a leading financial services provider, is a trusted name in the financial industry. HFM is dedicated to delivering top-notch financial solutions and services, navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. They are committed to providing clients with tailored and innovative strategies to meet their unique needs. HFM offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, commodities such as metals and energies, stocks, indices, bonds, CFDs on commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Clients can benefit from HFM's commitment to staying at the forefront of market trends, ensuring access to an extensive range of investment opportunities. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, HFM's trading instruments are supported by advanced technology, providing users with a seamless and responsive trading experience. Featured platforms are available on the HFM proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Users can choose from a variety of platforms, each equipped with advanced features, real-time data, and intuitive interfaces. HFM ensures clients have access to cutting-edge trading solutions, enabling them to execute trades efficiently and stay informed about market trends. Featured accounts are available on Cent, Zero, Pro, and the Premium account, with Demo and Islamic account options. These trading accounts are designed to accommodate varying levels of expertise, offering flexibility and choice to its clients. With competitive spreads, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly interface, HFM's trading accounts are suitable for both novice and experienced investors. HFM is dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge through its comprehensive array of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully curated to cater to traders of all skill levels, providing valuable insights into financial markets and trading strategies. They offer a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and more. Whether you're a novice seeking to understand the basics or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, their educational resources offer a wealth of information. Overall, HFM stands as a leading force in the financial landscape, offering a wealth of opportunities and resources for traders and investors. With a commitment to innovation, HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and tailored trading accounts to meet the dynamic needs of its clientele. The emphasis on education underscores HFM's dedication to empowering individuals with knowledge to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. Coming in at number 3, we have Octa. Octa, a prominent online trading platform, is a leading name in the financial realm. Renowned for its commitment to innovation and a user-friendly interface, OctaFX has emerged as a preferred choice for traders globally. With a focus on transparency, competitive offerings, and a secure trading environment, the broker offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, stock derivatives, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and shares. With OctaFX, you can discover a world of trading opportunities with their broad spectrum of trading instruments, each meticulously curated to enhance the trading experience for individuals at every skill level. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and OctaTrader. Octa's trading platforms are known for their reliability, speed, and feature-rich environments. offering a range of technical indicators, charting tools, and customizable interfaces. The platform comparison available at the provided link allows traders to choose the one that best aligns with their preferences and trading strategies. Featured accounts are available on Octa Trader, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5 accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Octa FX's commitment to transparency is reflected in the account comparison details, empowering traders to make informed decisions based on their individual requirements. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, Octa's diverse range of trading accounts ensures that you can find the perfect fit for your trading journey. The broker is also dedicated to empowering its users through a wealth of educational resources designed to cater to traders of all levels. From comprehensive tutorials and articles to insightful market analysis, Octa's educational materials cover a wide range of topics, ensuring that both beginners and experienced traders can stay informed and make well-informed decisions. The platform's commitment to education extends to webinars, seminars, and other interactive sessions, fostering a community where traders can exchange ideas and strategies. Whether you are looking to grasp the basics of trading or stay updated with the latest market trends, Octa FX's educational resources provide the tools and insights needed to navigate the dynamic world of online trading successfully. As traders explore the dynamic features and offerings available at Octa FX, they embark on a journey supported by cutting-edge technology, a comprehensive suite of tools, and a commitment to empowering individuals in their financial endeavors. Whether you're a novice seeking to learn the ropes, or an experienced trader looking for a reliable partner, Octa FX provides the foundation for success in the ever-evolving landscape of online trading. At number 2 on our list is Exness. Exness is a leading online Forex broker that has earned a reputable position in the financial industry. With a commitment to providing transparent and reliable trading services, Exness has become a preferred choice for traders worldwide. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of financial instruments to cater to the diverse needs of both novice and experienced traders. The broker offers a variety of market instruments to trade, to cater to different needs and preferences. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Exness ensures that its trading instruments are diverse, enabling clients to access various markets with flexibility and precision. Whether one is an experienced trader or a newcomer to the financial world, Exness strives to provide a comprehensive and dynamic selection of trading options. Featured platforms are available on the Exness Trader application, MetaTrader 5, and the Exness terminal. These platforms empower users with sophisticated charting tools, technical analysis, and automated trading capabilities, enhancing the overall trading experience. Their accounts are available on standard, professional, and social trading accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Exness ensures that each account type is accompanied by a range of features, allowing traders to tailor their trading experience according to their individual preferences. Whether for beginners or seasoned professionals, Exness's diverse account offerings aim to provide a customized and optimal trading environment for all. Exness is committed to empowering its traders with knowledge and skills through a comprehensive suite of educational resources. The platform offers a range of material designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Educational content includes informative articles, tutorials, and webinars, covering a variety of topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and more. Traders can visit the Exness educational website for more information. Overall, Exness stands as a leading online forex broker, committed to providing a transparent, user-friendly, and technologically advanced trading environment. With a diverse range of instruments, multiple types of accounts, and cutting-edge trading platforms, Exness caters to the needs of traders worldwide. The platform's dedication to education ensures that users, regardless of experience level, have access to valuable resources to enhance their trading skills. Through a commitment to innovation and client-centric services, Exness continues to be a trusted partner for those navigating the dynamic landscape of Forex trading. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best over-the-counter Forex brokers, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider, offering access to a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, CTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics, such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best over-the-counter Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.